Jai Hind everyone, welcome to the another episode of Voice of the Hacker, a podcast of the cadets, for the cadets and by the cadets. Today we have with us Cadet Remit Lepcha from 3 Battalion, NER Directorate. So ma'am, welcome.
Thank you.
So ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Remit Lepcha from Sikkim, directed by West Bengal and Sikkim from 3 Battalion. And my hobby is I like to play games and I like to communicate with people. My ambition is to achieve something good.
So ma'am, can you please tell me something about your tribe?
Join. Currently, I'm wearing my own traditional dress. My tribe is Lepcha, and this is a Lepcha dress. And this is called a Dumbun. The pink one which I'm wearing is Dumbun, and this one is Honju. Actually, we used to have a creamy color dress. That is, I mean to say, जो अपना dress का खास color होता है वो creamy होता है, and even we used to have ornaments which is used to made with this silver. That used to be original. वो मतलब इधर उधर लेने में risky होता है, इसलिए I didn't brought and I didn't even wear. And about my lecture dress, this is known as dumpin. It's very hard to make. It is very hard to wear this dress. And the one this is called a nyamrek. Okay.
So ma'am, as you've mentioned that you are from Sikkim, please tell us something about your food, your tribe, your culture and tradition.
So, as people know, that Sikkim is a peace state and a famous state of India, and it is the small part of India. And from in my tribe, in my lecture tribe, we used to have a food name called khuriku. It used to made with merit, जो नेपाली में बोले तो कोदो बोलता है, उसे पीस कर उसका रोटी बनाता है, and उसके ऊपर जो राइस साग कहते हैं, आप लोग पालक बोलते हैं, वो राइस साग को काट के उससे पकाकर उसमें छुरपी जो पनीर वगैरह कुछ भी डालकर उसे रोल करते हैं. वो इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी गुड टेस्ट. एंड इवन मेरिट के साथ अगर अल्कोहल बोले तो इन माय ट्राइब दैट इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि वो जो इवन वी व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू प्रे टू आवर गॉड, हम लोगों को वो गॉड को देना ही पड़ता है, मतलब जो हमें ऐसे चढ़ाते हैं एज लाइक अ प्रसाद, वी हैव टू गिव देम.
It's like an offering.
Yeah, offer. We have to offer them. And another thing is, we Lepcha don't used to believe in God. We used to believe in nature. And the Kanchenjunga, that in my language, in my Lepcha language, we used to call as a Kongchenchu, and that is our king. Even that is our God, because in story they believe that Sikkim has been protected by Kanchenjunga, and we used to pray them at 8 August. At 8 August, there is festival name called Tendong Lorumfat. We used to pray to Kanchenjunga at that time.
So ma'am, how do you like Delhi so far and how is the EBSB camp going for you?
Till now, EBSB camp is also going very smoothly as I expect. Even Delhi is after coming at Delhi, I feel very good. Now in this, it's a winter time and the climate is also very good. As I expect, जो मैंने मतलब बुरा सोचा था उतना ज़्यादा बुरा भी नहीं है. या पॉल्यूशन है, ऑनेस्टली बोल दो तो पॉल्यूशन है, लेकिन यहाँ का सराउंडिंग जो है at maximum places it is clean. Yeah, we can say it is clean. And EBSB camp का बोलो तो I have met lots of friends from Delhi, from Assam, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh. Not only SW, even I met ST's friend also. They were very good and they always used to cooperate with me, and I start speaking in Hindi in a smooth way. And yeah, another thing is that EBSB में हम लोग culture बहुत ज़्यादा extend किया. Like I got to know few certain words from Assam, like Uthok, Kikobor, and so many places, so many languages they taught me, but I just forgot. And यहाँ का खाना जो है, that is also very nice. We have taste lots of food like idli dosa and sambar. I just forgot the name. Rasma, Bhatura, etc. I just forgot, but the taste of the food were also very nice. हम लोगों ने खाने का चीज़ भी exchange किया, culture भी exchange कर रहे हैं. Even to me myself studying at my own Mangshila college, but हम लोग एक जगह में तो पढ़ने से नहीं होगा. And if we visit in different places, then only I got to know that then only we'll get lots of knowledge. Like I have attended EBSB camp and I've exchanged my culture with them, and I'm feeling proud that after coming in Delhi, I got lots of experience, and also the camp is about to finish. I don't know what is going there.
So ma'am, Please tell us something about the folk dance and the folk songs of your tribe.
Dance also we have a history behind that. The god name called Norokrum, he has got impressed by our dance when he has came to visit our Jongo place. And when he was visiting the mountain area, he saw certain people were gathering and dancing together. At the time, our Lepcha people, we used to have a one hat, traditional hat of Lepcha, and that is made with a bamboo. And there used to be a feather of one bird. That is very precious to find that bird. And when the Norok room, our god got impressed in that culture, dance and all. At that time, our god asked to Lepcha people to wish something whatever they want, because he got impressed at that time. But just Lepcha people. Lepcha people didn't ask for anything. Just they keep watching to that hat. The god was wearing that hat. They will keep watching to that hat. Only after that, the god get to know that they want that hat, and they offer them as a they offer them कि ये जो hat है वो Lepcha people लोग ही लगाएगा कहकर. So हमारा वो hat होता है. And मैक्सिमम हम लोग फ्लॉक डांस में क्या करते हैं कि हमारा इन सर्टेन सॉन्ग जैसे लिप्चा का गाने में होते हैं कि हम लोग बस धान वगैरह के लिए हम लोग गाना गाते हैं नेचर रिलेटेड. एंड जैसे दूसरे चीज़ में लव स्टोरी वगैरह का होता है तो हमारा नहीं होता. हमारा ज़्यादातर बस नेचर का रिलेटेड होता है. जो अभी हम लोग राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म डांस दैट इज़ ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विद नेचर अबाउट हार्वेस्टिंग टाइम. एंड something I can give an example of song like Zonyot Kalay, Thank Fu, and Mayal Mitadasa, Mangalyang Kakurnongka. It's all about the Sikkim place. Okay.
So, ma'am, what's that one piece of advice that you would like to give to our audience?
I want you guys to visit my place at Sikkim. I don't know about East Sikkim, West Sikkim and South Sikkim because even I have also never visited other place. But yes, if you will come at North Sikkim, I will give you offer to guide you. I will guide you कि कौन सा जगह अच्छा है, कौन सा जगह घूमना पड़ेगा. And about NCC, I want you guys to join NCC because even I got motivated from this NCC. मेरा journey में NCC में देखा है जैसे maximum cadet has joined NCC to join the defense team like army, police and even स्कोप भी है एनसीसी में. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो लोग एनसीसी ज्वाइन करे एंड वो लोग अपनी डेस्टिनी को पहचाने, अपनी जर्नी डेस्टिनी को एंजॉय करे एनसीसी में आकर. लाइक आई एम एंजॉयिंग एट एनसीसी कैंप. व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू विजिट एनसीसी कैंप आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय अ लॉट. आई यूज्ड टू गेट माय हैप्पीनेस विद माय फ्रेंड्स, विद माय जूनियर्स एंड सीनियर्स. लाइक दैट I want you guys to join NCC and get motivated more and more. Thank you.
So, ma'am, thank you for coming to our podcast.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.